So JBG, or Broilers, or more formally known as Jamaica Broilers Group, is basically a group of companies that deal with a lot of chicken related business and other stuff too. So now they're chicken and other stuff related to like the farming and the equipment around rearing other animals and stuff. But
Yeah.
most people probably know some of the products that they sell or some of the brands. So they're
Well,
basically the person.
actually, if you've lived in Jamaica and eaten chicken in Jamaica, chances are
Mm-hmm.
it's come from
You've eaten
JBG. Yeah.
at some point. Is either them or
Or CB. Yeah.
yeah, Caribbean Broilers. Yeah.
Hmm.
So it's they are basically own like the best dressed chicken brand. Another one, Reggae Jamming, and what's another one? Hamilton's. Those are a lot of the brands. High Pro, which other one? Those
Wait,
are probably some of the ones
Hamilton's
that most people. Yeah, Hamilton's
is owned by
Smokehouse is
JBG?
them.
I
Yeah,
swore
is
that was
them.
CB.
No, Hamilton's. It's on their website.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'm probably thinking of
Yeah.
another thing by CB,
Mm-hmm.
but okay, no problem.
Yeah. I think there's I think they have a branded, like a specifically branded. I just say they compete and stuff. But like
Yeah.
Hamilton, so if you do like, well, I know them for like their sandwich meats. So I used to have some of those sandwich stuff. I kind of stopped, I guess now. But like some of they had like jerk chicken, pastrami. Used to
Oh,
be very easy to
yes.
make.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I
And I
remember that.
think
Okay.
you've said in the past that you like the best dressed chicken, some wings, right? You still eat those or no?
Yeah, I mean, I don't still eat them, but they're good, and it was so easy because what I would do in the mornings is just take them out and just pop them in the air fryer and bathe and so on and get ready. And by the time I'm ready, boom, they're done. So I
Mm,
like the convenience of a lot of their products for sure.
mm, mm-hmm,
Yeah, and they have like nuggets too, and it's quite a few things, quite a few
mm-hmm.
other products that I do enjoy.
Nice. Yeah. So that's them. So basically, whenever we say broilers, we're referring to the people that's their business,
Mm-hmm.
and so people know them as the Jamaican side, but a lot of people don't know that they actually also have businesses in the States, the United
Mm-hmm.
States. So they do a lot of those different processes and stages in the chicken industry. And it's actually a pretty significant part of the business, It's, I think,
Yeah,
almost, I think it's like 40% or so of the revenues or
something
the
like that. Yeah,
sales, how much the sales that actually come from theirs.
and I
That's
think it's
really so.
about 30% or 28% of revenues come from the US as well, something like that. Yeah, so if you have 40%,
Hmm.
other
I think
assets
in the
are.
audits, yeah, when we get to the audits, I think the audits actually had the specific value up until that period. So we can talk
Hmm.
about that. But yeah, I think that's probably most of the things that someone would need to know about broilers or JBG.
Yeah.